how to deactivate Crunchyroll account. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use Basics Entertain. In this video I'm gonna guide you through how to deactivate Crunchyroll account. So in order to do that, first of all, go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll app, and then you'll be appeared in the home screen. Now go ahead and tap on account, which is in the bottom right corner, and then scroll all the way down until you see delete my account. You can be sure that deleting and deactivating is the same thing, which initially means that you will not be able to have your account at the end. No matter if you log into the same account, it will already be deactivated and then you'll have to create a new one. So it means the same. So go ahead and tap on delete my account, and then it says a lot of things regarding account deletion. So go ahead and tap on continue after you read all of those, and then go ahead and tap on continue again. Now it says which of our services would you like to apply this request to. So go ahead and tap on the box. By just tapping on it, you're good to go. It will already select the app, and then go ahead and provide them with your email. After you provide them with your email, checking the box of I'm not a robot, and then submit. And then last step in order to deactivate your account is go ahead and check in your email, and then you'll be getting an email. And then lastly, you can tap on deactivate inside your email, and then you are all set to go. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.